If you think that hiccups happen when someone remembers you, that's actually a myth. Hiccups are caused by the contraction of the diaphragm. Let's break it down in a simple way. The diaphragm is a muscle that helps us breathe by contracting and relaxing. It works in coordination with the lungs and the glottis muscle, which controls airflow to the vocal cords. Sometimes when we eat too fast, our stomach expands, pushing against the diaphragm. This disrupts its movement, making it difficult to contract and relax properly. As a result, the glottis suddenly closes, preventing proper oxygen intake. This sudden closure produces the familiar hic sound, which we recognize as a hiccup.